Hallo, ich habe mir gedacht, ich nehme euch heute mal mit. Und zwar gehe ich jetzt wandern. Jeder, der in Korea war, hat gesagt, wenn du in Seoul bist, musst du einfach mal wandern gewesen sein, weil an sich Korea, die ganzen Städte sind irgendwie so in den Bergen gebaut. Das heißt, man ist immer so umgeben von diesen mega großen Bergen und das soll wohl sehr, sehr schön sein. Und da werde ich jetzt mit einer Freundin mal eine Reise starten auf einen dieser Berge und dachte, ich nehme euch einfach mal mit. Do you want to be in there?
Of course. Hello.
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 What are you drinking?
I'm drinking.
Oh, I think there's like lemon or something in there, isn't it?
I think so.
It tastes a bit lemony and citrusy. So good.
Try. Usually they have some flowers inside.
Oh yeah. So what was that? Thai noodle? No.
It's like
Shanghai? Oh,
Yeah.
Shanghai.
Almost.
There, yeah, almost. And this is like gorgonzola pizza with apples. It's good?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think with the cheese and with the apple, I think it's good.
Oh.
Because cheese is a little bit greasy. But the apple catches the greasiness.
Oh my
So
god.
you feel the whole new world.
Let's try. Do you want to drink it?
It looks like some pudding.
Oh really? Oh yeah. It's wobbly. It's not good.
I don't know.
Ah!
I don't know what it is. It's like some flavor of milk, yogurt, cream, or like cheese, or every those things.
Maybe like goat.
Oh, you should try that.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, don't be afraid.
Because you have to taste like that.
But it's I like. How about trying that with the fruit?
Like what I call, I think I once referred to Elliot as man from
But I don't have really no idea where you are.
Say hi.
Hi. Am I in a sexy concert today? Like.
Yeah, kind of. Hi.
So.
We are, I don't know, is the hill called Angu?
No, it's here called Seoul Fortress.
Oh, Seoul Fortress. And we wanted to take a nice way up to the hill, but it's Sunday, 3 o'clock. And yeah.
You just give them aware that you should go earlier if you want to see.
If you want to go hiking, you should go in the morning. Because if you don't hurry up, it's going to be closed and you can't go here. That's our case.
Even in a Sunday.
Yeah, on a Sunday. Yeah, so we're just trying to get around as much as possible. Yeah.
To burn our fat.
To burn our fat because we ate for like 2 hours. Oh my god, for like 40,000 won. As you do. We're like luxury, like ladies.
Ladies. With the Iwa jacket.
Yeah, with the Iwa jacket.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's so nice.
Yeah. It feels like we just did a very
exhausting hiking tour.
I think that place is a high hill there, so
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about like going there and take a little picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice. Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Risky. Oh, wow. So our plan was to go somewhere there or there.
There, the high
There?
hill.
Yeah.
You have to make some kind of Photoshop to there.
Yeah. Yeah. Just imagine us being there. Oh, tourists. Okay, just go there. Just go there.
Okay.
Too many tourists.
We're tourists there.
I don't feel like it.
Really?
I'm Ide. I'm Iwa student. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm not tourist.
I'm so sorry.
I'm totally from Seoul.
Oh, they're such young, like my brothers. I smell my brothers.
Not oppa?
Oh, in this is Korea, those kind of shoes, like military shoes, is very like famous.
Look at the prices. Are you serious?
I think they made them by
themselves? Handmade?
Yeah, I think so. It's a reasonable price for.
Oh no, that's my size. Oh, it looks so big.
You want to see?
No, I want cheap clothes. So we are now at Dongdaemun, and we are going to go in this area, this mall, and you said that if we go there, there are like a lot of like small sellers, right?
Yeah, small sellers, clothes and hats and everything. It's
Yeah.
like a paradise for girls.
Woohoo! So I'm very excited to go there. I've never went there, so let's go in there, right? Hallo, wir sind gerade in einem koreanischen Restaurant. How's it called? Do you know that?
It's called Myeongdong
The restaurant?
Gyoza.
Gyoza? Wir sind in Gyoza in Myeongdong in einem koreanischen Restaurant und haben gerade heiße Nudeln gegessen. Hot Noodles, right? And Dimsum. Und es war sehr, sehr lecker und ich wollte an dieser Stelle den Vlog beenden. Und wir waren noch ein bisschen shoppen und ich habe mein Geburtstagsgeschenk bekommen. Und ja, jetzt geht es nach Hause. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.